learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Formerly known as Xinkaiyuan Chishan in Taidong, was settled by a group of Hakka people from Pingdong in the 19th century. They cultivated the land with irrigated water from the Bainan River to quench the thirst of their farmlands. And thanks to the use of water mills, they were able to irrigate over 600 hectares of land. Today, people use motorized pumps, but you can still see the perfectly preserved water mills at Zhishang Fujiang. Visitors yearning to learn about the rice industry can visit the Rice Museum, where early farming tools and agricultural products are on display. The museum also provides organic grains, rice, paintings, and DIY projects.
Yo, it's time for Talk About Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係Bingo Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're bringing you to a very well-known place in Taidong. It's called 池上，因为这边有好米啊，
而且这边绝对是又香又甜。
所以这样的话 ，Leo 可以带我们去哪里了解一下呢？
那我就带你去那个偷蜜碾熊馆看一看，就便知道了。
偷蜜碾熊馆。罐就是馆嘛，对不对？
对，
所以是一个 museum。But 偷蜜是稻米啦。
对，稻米就是米嘛。
偷蜜 is just rice, yeah. So it's a rice museum. 所以到这边呢，到底可以来了解什么呢？
这里面陈列很多早期先民用的嘎拉凤。
嘎拉凤，这是什么？
这是农具。
Okay, it's an agricultural tool that's on display at this museum. What else can you discover here? 还有什么？
我问你哦，种田什么都很重要。
种田要有田嘛？
当然有田，对，有了田之后呢，还要有农夫，再来就要有水，所以呢，我就带你去看一下水茶。
水茶好，水车。
对，水车。
Okay, when it comes to farming rice, it's very important that you have a water mill, and so. When you check out this museum, you can actually go check out some of these preserved water mills too. 所以在这附近可以找到这个水车正在运作的。
在池上附近，对。还是可以看得到。
Wow, that's nice. All right. So, not only you can enjoy some great quality rice when you're in 池上, but really get a taste of the history behind it and how it's made. 这是很棒的一个应该去参观的一个定点了哦。
对啊。
叫做我们的什么馆？
偷蜜碾熊馆。
That's right, 偷蜜碾熊馆。And then while you're at it, of course, check out the history behind it, but go check out the water mills, 也就是水车。
水茶。
水茶。That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.